Write a Python program to access the index of a list. Okay, write a Python program to access the index of a list. How you access the index of a list? Okay, using enumerate function you can access index. Okay, using enumerate function you can access index. Observe. So enter in list here. Take list one is equal to enter list one here. Okay, and next thing is one index comma value in enumerate function. First parameter takes the collection. Suppose list or tuple whatever. Primary list here. List one second parameter is the index number. Okay. By default it takes starts from the zero. Okay. But now print it. Simple print uh, index comma index here. It returns index here and comma value. Returns value here. Okay. Simple. Enter any list. Simple. Enter any list here. So enter any list. So it returns so let's call it enumerate function. Enumerate is a function here. So first parameter is a take iterable, any iterable, okay, like a list tuple or whatever, any object. And second parameter is any start means from which index we have to start it. By default it takes zero, okay. So it has an enumerable object. Okay. Is it is an enumerate type here, okay. Observe here, simple. Just execute it and print. Okay, just execute it. Just print here list here. First initially you print list here, normal list here, okay. List one, you can get the print here, okay. Simple. Execute it now. Enter list one, okay. I am entering here. Okay, any list here, A, B, comma one. So list is heterogeneous. Any type it accepts. Okay, any type elements accepts. One, two comma PC, comma five. Enough. Okay. AB one, index zero, value AB, index one, index two, index three, index four. Okay. Value AB, value two, value BC, value five. Here. Observe it. Okay. So we can so many ways are there to access the index of the list, but this is the one method. Enumerate function. Okay. Using enumerate function, you can access the index of that particular uh, list element, right?